Okay, so right now, I guess we can start off with dough meal prep. Guess this is good, always good to have footage of mise en place of the prepping. So when you get the dough meal out of the bag, they usually look like this. This depends on how old or tough this is. Sometimes I just get rid of that guy. Pick this. And pick the middle one up. Like that. Okay. That. So dough meal is the pea shoots. It's I think it comes from either snow peas or snap peas. One of them peas. And this is the leafy part. We'll soak it and drain it. Okay, baby bok choy. There's some bigger ones sometimes. There's smaller ones. I like these little ones. They're kind of easy to prep. You do want to get rid of this little part right here. But when they're small like that, I cut them in half. And you have to rinse them well. Make sure all the dirt in the middle is out of there. Why did you cut that part off? You know, to be honest, I really don't know. There's bug right here. Look at that bug. See ya. I think because even after you cook it, it's not kind of there. And it's a little bitter. These leaves are more on the bitter side, so we'll soak and drain this guy. Okay, let's work on some eggplant. What we'll do is that we'll peel part of the eggplant right here. We'll peel them, not the whole thing, but we'll make little stripes like this. Cut them too small. It's gotta soak up too much oil in the process. We're gonna kind of par fry them, drain them, and then saute them again. Eggplant prep. Woodier mushroom. Yeah, they're a little big. When you get them from the Chinese store, the fresh ones, or Japanese store, you can pick them to like right size. If there's a hard part right here, usually you gotta take it off, but this one looks relatively clean. Okay. So we got green onions that we will be steaming fish with. So let's pick the biggest ones. We'll cut them the long way. Just rough chop, but the long way. Also, that's a look. It's the long way. And we'll do the short way, the sideways. Yeah, I always have green onions on hand. Great flavor, great for garnish. Just great for everything. Chop these green onions. I'm not trying to make them paper thin here. I do want them to kind of have some kind of thickness to them. Okay, so this green onions will be for the fried rice, for the wonton soup, pretty much just like everything, okay? 2 kinds of green onions. This is prepping garlic 2 ways. Sometimes it's nice, they just come off. Voila, garlic 2 ways. Okay, we're gonna do some ginger 2 ways. A lot of people just use a knife. Sometimes I use a knife, but you know, the kitchen hack is just use a spoon. You probably, granted, ginger is not the most expensive thing, but the closer you have the ginger to the skin, I feel like, the more the flavor there is. I don't know. The skin of the ginger is actually good for you. Ooh. Slices for stir fry.
Whew. That was a lot of work, but thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave it below. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.
Thanks for joining us today. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. If you enjoyed this episode, it only takes a moment to post a positive rating and review. Your support allows us to grow the community and reach more extraordinary people just like you. And come check out the Art of Chef YouTube channel on your next lunch break. We'd love to see you there. Thanks again for listening. See you in the next episode.